update on IOTEX. Starting you off right here on the weekly so I can see the good news and know this thing about to make some more moves. So as y'all can see where I already had it start off at, right? You see we finally got a candlestick above that major resistance line, basically, as y'all can see with this green one right here. And we have one starting for the week, although it's red now, but it's just important because it's above, you know, the previous point of where it started near its all-time high. Obviously we broke it already, but you know, the very beginning, we talking about 2018 beginning. All right, here we see even up. So now it should actually be able to make its real moves now. So we actually count this as one test and another test. So the next time we come back up here to test the all-time highs, we're gonna make major moves. We're gonna finally jump out of this zone we've been stuck in this whole time, never breaking through it. It's like, you know, the drop down and the steady progression up. But when it moves, you can see it clearly. It moves. So at any point in time, it could just make one of these moves, you know. See what that say, 277%. This one, 95, 17, 20. You just never know. But we do know. Basically, that's what it should be doing, but it should definitely do that because we, in all-time highs, like basically super free. So let me go a little closer so I can see. So boom, on the daily, as you can see, we just came back down, bounced off that like I showed y'all before, came out to 100. Now we're basically about to bounce off to 50. This is what's happening right now, and it's gonna start riding at 20 on a daily by itself. So hopefully, you know, that's when we should be making this move. But first, you know, it may as well, just saying, it may as well come and hit this 20 day. And that's around, you know, I'll just say 9 cents, keep it simple. And as you can see, where the 9 cents is at, right, on the 20 day, on the daily, look at where it tested right here. For resistance. For resistance. For resistance. All the way over here for resistance. So perfectly, we should be coming back down to test it for support. Then at any point in time, you know, it could come down, tap it 3 times, it might tap it once. You know, we'll see how it plays out, but basically once it tap it, I mean, it's as low as it should go is around this general area basically, and then everything else should be up from there on the daily. So even on the daily though, I mean, once we do reach down and hit that 20 day on the daily, we looking for 18, 19 cent before the real breakout. 4 hourly, see the same. You know, like I always told y'all before on the 4 hourly, my chart, so it'll be bouncing off the 20 to 50 most of the time anyways. Unless a pattern is formed, then it may come down and tap to 100 possibly, but it don't have to. It could just come down and tap to 50 depending on the situation. But as y'all can see, I mean, we made our moves from what I told y'all before. Got up here, coming back down. Right now it's showing the 50 right here, but you know, it's gonna be a spike down a little further, you know, just on the daily. Feel like it's following the daily chart much better than the 4 hourly, but you know, it depends what kind of trader you is. But yep, like I said, I gave you all the points. We're looking for 18, 19 cents next after the retracement to all-time highs. But yeah, anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all growing and making your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.